Welcome to Annexa on Air. I'm Lopez, a functional consultant at Annexa. Today, we're diving into our favorite NetSuite keyboard shortcuts and search tips. I've chosen some handy keyboard shortcuts to explore which will help you to streamline your daily tasks and enhance your productivity. Let's walk through them together. My first keyboard shortcut is setting dates on any date field. For this example, I'm going to set the date on the date field on a purchase order. Once on the date field, press T to set the date to today, Y to set it to yesterday, Shift plus T to set it to tomorrow, and M to set it to the last day of the month. You can also use the plus on your keyboard to increase the date by 1, or minus to decrease it by 1 too. My second shortcut is using the percentage character as a wildcard to refine the results of your global searches. This will indicate NetSuite that what you're looking for has more characters where you locate the percentage. For example, if I want to look for the supplier Australian taxation office, and let's say I only remember the taxation word, I can use the wildcard taxation wildcard to indicate NetSuite that what I'm looking for has characters before and after the word I'm typing. Now, to refine my search even further, I can use prefixes and the wildcard for this. As you can see in the results, I get the supplier and menu results. But if I want to get only the supplier result, I can use the prefix for supplier. And NetSuite will only show me the supplier result. My third shortcut is using the plus in the global search to get inactive records. For this, you will only need to add the plus symbol after the word you type in the global search. For example, I'm trying to look for the customer Alex White. Because this is an inactive record, I don't get any results. But if I add the plus symbol at the end, it will now come up in the results. Now I will go to the customer record, System Information tab to confirm this is an inactive record. We love to know your favorite NetSuite shortcuts or search tips, so leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Annexa on Air and stay tuned for our next episode.